This practice is to let go of old identities, old burdens, and to step physically and spiritually into the new life God has given us. We'll begin by bringing the soles of our feet together in butterfly pose. Inhaling with a straight back. And when you're ready, exhale, fold forward, surrendering down, and releasing old patterns. In Corinthians 5:17, therefore, if anyone in Christ, he is a new creation. The old has passed away. Behold, the new has come. Allow yourself to welcome in the new, trusting God to transform you into the identity of His will. Gently release the pose, coming to a straight spine. Extend the right leg out and bring the left knee bent in, inhaling the arms high up. Exhale, fold forward, just gently, mindfully. Long, deep breathing, focusing on this new identity, the new life God has promised. Relax into the pose. Inhale, back to center. Now exhale, come over the right leg, bowing down, stretching into the pose, releasing old thought patterns, using the breath to completely relax into the pose. Inhale, lift the arms high up to the heavens again. Bring the hands in prayer pose down in front of the heart. Releasing the legs, bending the right leg and extending the left leg out. Inhaling the arms high up to the heavens. Exhale, fold forward. Physically surrendering so you can open up spiritually to receive your new identity from God. Inhale back to center, arms high up to the sky, and turning and exhaling over the left leg. Surrendering down physically, mentally, and emotionally, so you can release the old patterns and open to receive your new identity. Inhale back to center. Bring the hands in prayer pose in front of the heart. Extend both legs out as wide as it's comfortable for you. Inhale the arms high up to the heavens. Gently exhale, fold forward. In this practice, you don't need to try harder. You don't need to fix yourself. Just breathe and be, surrendering in the moment to release, to receive. Begin to release the pose, coming to a straight spine. And gently bring the legs together, coming to an upright seated position, maybe on a block, or a pillow, a chair, whatever's comfortable for you. Relax down. Bring the hands in prayer pose and anchor your sit bones, and then inhale the hands down, around, and up. Exhale, one arm down and the other arm up and over, taking this side stretch. Physically moving old patterns. Inhale back to center. Exhale to the opposite side. One arm down, one arm up and over. Release into the pose, physically surrendering. Inhale back to center. Exhale over to the first side again. Inhale back to center. And exhale one more time to the opposite side. Inhale back to center, stretching high up to the sky. Exhaling, bowing forward, surrendering to the earth, surrendering spiritually, physically, mentally, so that you can have the renewing of your mind and your spirit. Surrender into the pose. Walk the hands back, coming to a straight spine. Pausing a moment. And then turn the head from left to right in this no motion. You know what it is that you are responsible to say no to so that you can receive the transformation from God. Inhale back to center, and then shrug your shoulders high up to your ears and release down, moving quickly or slowly, whatever suits you. Shrugging off anything that's a should or a burden on your shoulders that's not in alignment with the loving spirit God has given you. And when you're ready, release. And then move the head in a yes motion, up and down. What is it that you're ready to say yes to? To receive His new creation. To receive your new identity, the renewing of the mind and the spirit. And then bring the head to center. Place one hand on your heart, one hand on your belly, connecting to your spirit, ready to receive the new life God has created for you, and trusting in His perfect, divine time. Take this feeling of transformation with you through the rest of your day, trusting in His grace and guidance.